You heard David say it. Heavy rains and gusty winds are expected to hit the Jackson area later tonight.
Yeah, 16 WAPT's Aaron Kelly is live in one of those low-lying areas that could flood in Jackson. So, Aaron, what are crews doing to fix that problem there?
Well, right now we are at Monument and Mill Street, and under this bridge here is where we normally see some flooding. And so far we're seeing the water accumulate here. It's not as bad as it usually is, but over here in the street you can see they've got barricades here from the city of Jackson ready to block it off whenever they need to. The city says that they have declared a state of emergency here in Jackson, and they are going to be going to some of those problem areas, digging into some of those ditches where they see some flooding just to try to relieve some of those problems. Now, they are also concerned about power outages from the high winds. Today, the Hinds County Emergency Operations Center was activated. Mayor Harvey Johnson is now asking residents, if you have any problems, please call 311 to report them.
Public Works Department and the Department of Parks and Recreation to clear out debris out of ditches that may have accumulated and could impede the flow of water.
Now, we asked Mayor Johnson about that whole emergency declaration. What does that actually mean for the city? He says it just means that the city will be able to get some of those resources to help out more quickly than we normally would. They're going to be checking on some of those areas, Lynch Street, Hanging Moss, any of those problem areas where we could see some flooding as this rain continues to pour down here in Jackson. Live in Jackson, Aaron Kelly, 16 WAPT News.
All right, Aaron, thank you so much. Madison